Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video we are making coconut jollof rice. Let's get started. I will start by making some coconut milk. I have a full video of how to make coconut milk in my channel. I'll leave the link below. And here I have the coconut milk ready. Then we'll go to the next step. For this coconut rice, I'll be using some chicken meat. I have here a kilo of chicken and I'll be spicing and cooking it with these spices here. I have bay leaves, thyme, curry powder, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, salt, garlic powder, and rosemary. I'll leave the list of the spices I use in the description box below. If you need it, you can check it out. And then I'll also be using these small onions. It is jollof rice, so we'll be needing some tomatoes. Yeah, and for this I'm using only fresh tomatoes. I'm not going to use tin tomatoes. I have here some fresh tomatoes, habanero pepper, some chili pepper, and a red bell pepper. I'll be boiling it. I'll using boiling method. I'll boil it before blending. It makes it thicker. So I'm going to wash and slice it, which I've done here. The next thing I'll do is to boil it up. The tomatoes and peppers have boiled down, so I'll allow it to cool a bit before blending, and I'll blend it with this ginger and some garlic cloves. This is what I have after blending the tomatoes and pepper mix. So thick and reddish. I love this. I hope you are enjoying and following this video. We are getting everything ready one by one. So the next thing is the rice. This is the rice I'm using. I'm going to parboil it in a hot water. I'll just pour the rice, allow it to boil for some time, and then wash it out. Yeah, now that everything we are using for this coconut jollof rice is ready, let's start cooking. In a hot oil, I'll add some onions and fry for a bit before adding the tomato blend. I'm using a mix of coconut oil and the oil I used in frying the meat to fry this. Maybe that's why it's foaming.
Let it smell.
After stirring and mixing it very well, I will cover and allow it to fry for some time before adding the spices. Our stew or sauce for the jollof rice is ready. Into another pot, I've added the coconut milk. I don't want to use all the stew, so I'm going to divide it into two. So I'll just scoop part of the stew I made or the tomato sauce I made into this pot with the coconut milk. Mix and add some other ingredients. Just a little more ingredients like salt, seasoning cubes, and a curry powder with thyme. After testing it, all I needed was just one seasoning cube and a little salt, which I've just added. Now the base for our coconut jollof rice is ready. I'll just pour in the rice which I parboiled earlier on. Stir everything together. Then I have some chicken stock. I will add it, and if it is not enough, I'll add some water. I will now gently stir everything together and then cover and allow to cook. Once it starts boiling, I'll reduce the heat until it cooks well. And here our coconut jollof rice is almost ready. It is well cooked but still has a little water in it to dry. I have some vegetables to add it. I'm adding carrots, some green peas and some red beans. I will add and cover it, allow the heat to soften it a bit before stirring everything together. And here we have it. Our coconut jollof rice is ready, and this tasted so delicious, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for always stopping by. Thank you for watching. To you, my old subscribers, I appreciate you. To my new subscribers, you are highly welcomed. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do so and join the family. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate. And please don't forget to share the video. Help me share the video, please. I want to get up to 20 shares from this recipe. May God bless you all. I love you all. See you in our next video. Until then, remain blessed. Bye bye.